Hello everyone, I am here with the much anticipated 3-ring Christmas super simple collection, and I am so excited for this one. It's going to be unapologetically Christmas and we're just going to have a lot of fun with it. So this will give you an idea of the colors we're going to be putting into this. Lots of greens and some black and white, lots of reds, little bit of yellow in this paper. It's just going to be unapologetically Christmas. So let's go ahead and get started. For this first one, because it's the cover, there's not as many pages. You only have 3 pages in this kit. I did print on the backs of this page that has all the bits, the neutral that's included, but really you don't need to, because I don't even think we're going to see it anywhere. So up to you, optional. And I printed everything on 110-pound cardstock. Everything's cut, everything's inked, and we are ready to roll. So, as always, stay out of this zone and this zone, because that's where we're going to punch our 3 rings and put it together when it's time. So just heads up, stay out of there. You can put embellishments there, but just know they might get punched through. So just be ready for that. So let's go ahead and bring we have lots of bits, and there's too many really for this simple page, but you can cram them on as good as you can and just have fun with it. So we're gonna start with our cover. If you wanna add like some little extras, well, that would kind of be fun. I didn't even plan that, but I like it. Maybe a circle one. Okay, I like it. I like it, and I'm gonna go for it. You can put some fabric on the front if you want. Maybe some lace would be really pretty. So there's options to play around with. But it's also a very simple page because most of the detail work is already on there when you print. So that's kind of nice. I think I want this one. Cute. We have a teeny tiny little number. That might be fun. I think I'll save it for one of my tags. So that's really all we need to do to complete this cover. And you'll see it's just a very beautiful effect. All right. Now, when we fold the pages, just a heads up, always the center fold piece right here is going to be the page that's on the outside, or that you're going to flip open in your journal. This part that opens will be back here, punched by the rings. So I hope that made sense. That sounded like gibberish to me. Hopefully that made sense. The point being, when this is folded, our little tags are going to be here, and we're going to pull them out this way, which will be pulling it out of the journal more easily than pulling it toward where your 3 rings are going to be. So hopefully that made sense. We'll keep trying. Now these are the same paper as right here. So I am trying to kind of follow that same angle. You don't have to. It could be fun not to if that's your choice. So, and you could actually keep these as little extra pockets or tucks by only gluing the sides down. So keep that fun idea in mind also. There are going to be a lot of options with this Christmas kit because the papers are very vibrant and very, there's lots that I just love. So I'm really excited to work with this kit for this collection. All right, and notice I stayed over here. On this first one, I actually put paper here to remind you, or I guess a print here to remind you to stay in this zone. So we're keeping that area free, and that's why this time, I don't really do it on many of the others, but I actually put a rectangle there to remind you, hey, heads up, stay. Oh, this is the print that's meant to show, but this backing paper is gorgeous too. So take your pick. But this is going to be just an awesome chunky tab. Because it's circular, I really wanted to have the backing paper on to add some extra stability for it. So hopefully that works for you. So now it's just a little chunkier. It's going to be a nice solid tag. Isn't that bird cute? Here. Isn't that a sweet bird? Love the bird. All right, we have another print for this other one. So let's go ahead and put that down. And again, you could keep some of these open and create little tags. You got to be careful because you want them to still fit in your pockets. So you got to be careful where your opening of your tag is so you don't interfere with getting things in and out of that pocket. All right, let's see. Oh, we did okay lining that up. I think I did better on the other one. That's okay. All right, so these are going to be right here. They're going to go into these really fun side pockets here. You can see we're going to only glue right along that larger arc. I guess you could call it the top of the rainbow. And we're going to just place that hopefully in a nice straight line there. I mean, I guess you could angle them if you wanted. That could be cute too. I'm just staying as close to those edges as I can to leave as much room as I can for our cute little holly and bird tags. All right, now on the back of this, if you wanted, you could punch some coffee paper to make a fun option for journaling. You could make a little collage like I'm going to do right here. Just for fun. We've got some extra bits, so we might as well use them. Look at this. This one has I have an extra little ornament here and I just thought it would be fun, so maybe I'll put that on. Or do I want that right here? Ooh, my bad. That would be cute here. It might get a little punch through, but don't you think that would be cute? Like it's leaning on the counter. Okay, I'm gonna do that instead. I just love that idea. And really, I'm just playing here. I think I like that, but I need to put this down real quick and hurry, hurry, hurry before my glue dries. Yes, we made it. So we'll kind of echo the other one, which will be nice. Yep. That needs to come here. And that may or may not get punched. We'll see. But this could also be a fun little spot to put a little extra. So I'm truly just making this up as I go. I just created a lot of options and then you get to play. No, I don't like a circle on a circle. But maybe you do, and that's fine. Yes. All right, so now we have our cute little tags. And they're gonna sit right there. If you want, you can punch through that tiny little hole. And the Crop-o-Dile small punch works. It's a tiny hole. So it's kind of up to you if you want to have that punched or just leave it as it is. So that's what it looks like if you punch it. Only I missed it here. I can ink that. So that's an option if you want to punch that, which would be fun. I love that. I'm really glad that ornament worked right there. That really makes me happy. There we go. Let's see if I can hit this one a little bit better. There we go. That was better. And now you have this little one here. And last but not least, we have a few more goodies if we want to try to get anything else in here. We also have a number. I think I like this idea of a number here. I don't know. I kind of love how it is. This would be fun. Let's do it right here, and it'll probably get punched, but I think that'll be just fine. That will be beautiful with it. So I'm going to put that right there along that edge. We'll probably end up punching right around here, but that's okay because it's just an extra embellishment. And maybe this right here. Cute. I think I love it. I think I love it right there. All right, so we had a couple leftovers, but that's okay. Keep them. They're gonna match with all of the other collections, and you can use them in another spot to store up all your little extra bits from the kits and then add them where you want them. So that's it. That's all we have for this one. So easy. I just have to zoom in and show you how fun it is. We have our cover right here. So when we're done, we'll just glue that together and this will become the journal page. So we've got page 1 all finished with our gorgeous bird and our beautiful holly. And number 1 is completed. Now we're off to finish the other 9, and I'm hoping to get them done within just a couple of weeks. So we'll see how that goes, and I'll do my very best to get through these so you can have them for the holidays and enjoy them. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll link down below where you can get your own kit to do this, and we will just keep working through them. I hope you have a fabulous day, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.